So you decided you didn't want to scrub all these carburetor parts? Check this out. Quick one for you. Put all your small parts in this glass jar. And this is just this is an old spaghetti sauce jar. Add some acetone. Take your acetone jar and with all your small carburetor parts, right over to your parts cleaner. Now I have an ultrasonic parts cleaner, but all we're going to do is stick it inside and let her eat. Well, after 29 minutes in the ultrasonic cleaner, this is what they look like. You can see where it's cleaned most of that stuff off and the crap is in the acetone. Here's another option you got. You can throw it in a vibratory bowl if you got one of those, and now bang, you got a vibratory bowl and an ultrasonic parts cleaner.